Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Mutual of Omaha. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Mutual of Omaha, start by visiting their official website. Locate the Budgeting Tools section on the homepage. Click on Budgeting Tools to access various resources available for planning your finances. Review the interactive budget calculator provided by Mutual of Omaha. Enter your income details, including all sources of revenue. Next, input your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. Then, add your variable expenses, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. After entering all your expenses, check the summary to see your total spending. Evaluate the difference between your total income and total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, consider adjusting your variable expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, such as subscriptions or dining out. If your income exceeds your expenses, review your savings goals. Consider allocating extra funds to savings or investment options provided on the site. Utilize Mutual of Omaha's financial planning resources for additional guidance. Explore tips on setting realistic financial goals and tracking your progress. Regularly revisit your budget to ensure it remains aligned with your financial situation. Lastly, stay disciplined with your budget to help achieve your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.